Let's do this, boys. Fast and clean. Nice. Nice. Okay, so if we can just okay, my men are active. Oh. That's good to know. All right. Send them back to their lobby. Nice, 2 kills. Wipe out. Nice. I hope you hit me. Alright. Kagari, you got AA. AA gone there. Gone there. Let's go. So this sector will first take. Let's see. Nice. Cause destruction.
Allied troops engaging in objective.
Confuse them. Sit down. Okay.
Objective Bravo 1 is ours. The enemy is taking over objective
Nice.
Bravo 1.
But they come from the streets. Nice. He's dead.
Time to end this farce. Attack with full force.
They're taking B1.
Conspiracy.
They're taking B1. Okay, we've taken all the sectors. Not bad, not bad. One bad guy, one cruise cover everybody. Let's go.
This is their last stand. Take the sector.
Let's make this fast. Nice. Somebody to shoot me. It's okay. Somebody to stand. Somebody to shoot me. I repair him. I repair the vehicle small. We're like 10 seconds more before the next repair will be available. Yeah. Nice. Collect. Come on the bridge, my no pass your father.
This is their last line of
Collect.
Objective Charlie 1 is under attack.
Collect are you? Collect. Nice. Oh, age not go your father. That's a good one.
Target eliminated!
Look, I don't see anything. Now look at these shoots. Look at go on down there. Can't stand with that wall. We're gonna do that thing. We're gonna take B2.
We have taken objective Charlie 2.
Let's go. Get them down. How many minutes? 11 minutes. Repair day. The conflict to be active. We're good. We are good. Bro. The guy run. Don't see anything. There we go.
A big win. Operation accomplished. Solid work.